Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Wix Studio's Automation Builder, a super useful tool that lets you to create automatic workflow for your website without needing to write any code. Think of it like this: if someone submit a form or buy a product or even abandon their cart, you can set Wix to automatically respond to that action, like sending an email or moving that person to a CRM stage. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create your own automation from scratch inside the Wix Studio. So let's get started. First thing first, what you have to do is just simply go to wix.com and log into your account. Once you are in, you will see a list of your website on the dashboard, or you will get to see this kind of interface. Now look for a site that's built using Wix Studio. It is usually have to tag that's built on the Wix Studio. Click on the website and control panel. Now we are not going to into website editor. As you can see, I have selected that. Right now we are not going to click on the edit side. We are going to work with this section, as you can see here. Now now navigate to automation builder. From the left menu, scroll down to find automation. As you can see here, we have successfully found, and this action is where you can create a workflow that reacts to action a visitor take on your website. Now, once you are clicked on the automation, you will see two things like automation and functions. So, like existing automation and a button where you can create a new automation. Like right now, this is a suggested, and this is you can create from scratch. So what are automation and why use them? So if you talk about that, then automation in Wix are based on a simple idea. Like there is a two types of things. One is triggered and the action, and then optional conditions. Then here is how it goes. First thing, what so think of it like a triggered is a something that happens, like a visitor submitted a form, so it is a trigger. Now if you talk about the action is what your site does in the response when someone triggered something, and when someone does that thing, then you have to take this action, which means you can send a thank you email. For example, the visitor sent it submitted a form, like he has given an email, contact number. Then in the action you can give sending thank you email. So this is an action. Now you can also add conditions, like only send the email if a person subscribed to a specific list. So if it is not, then this email will not going to be sent. So you can give a conditions. This is super helpful for things like sending emails when someone sign up, and then reminding user about their abandoned cards, following up after a purchase, and many more things. This is a you can things. As you can see here, we have lots of all pre-built automation things, which is you can send two reminders a week apart if an invoice is overdue, welcome new members, and follow up after weeks. So these are automation. Wix even shows you some ready-made, as I said you. Now just let's create a new automation. Now click on the create a new automation or new automation. Just simply you will ask me to choose a starting point and ask to choose either from a template and from scratch. So what will be the triggered? It will ask now start from scratch. Click on the start from scratch, click it, and it will take you to his okay, this is a dashboard of that. And if you want to take a tour, you can do that. This is a start building your flow. So from here you can select your triggers, then hit next button. So you can connect triggered with the action as well, as he is saying. So this is a basic tour you can get to understand what it is. So let's set a trigger. So as you see in the left side, we have some triggers, right? You can like schedule time is a triggered, and like you can just simply click on the triggered and it will open that thing. Just simply give me that plus icon, select a trigger and add a step. Okay, maybe I am lost. Now as you can see here, uh, you can search for trigger as well. We have member blocked, member approved, member login. So yeah, for this example, let's choose something simple, schedule time. This means we can send a message at a specific time each day, like a morning greeting or product updates. Set the start, for example, just simply click that, and then over here, now just simply today, for example, 4 p.m. or 1 p.m., just simply click on this and start date, repeat. Now if you go into and tell it to repeat daily for a week, from Friday to Friday. Now if you want to set never ends, you can on a specific day, if you want to give a specific day, you can select that. Now I will choose never and choose click on the apply. So we have successfully added our triggered. Now let's add an action. Now we add what we want to automation to do. So for example, click on the add step, just click on this plus icon, and over here you will get delay condition variable and delays, and click on the action over here. From here you can choose things like send email, send chat message, send push notification, or create contacts, or there are lots of things to choose. You can choose based on your needs. So let's go with the emails, as I have said. Now over here you will set the sender name, like just simply no reply, click on the edit. It will give you the something this like this. I'm a sender, then I will choose my name, which is maker, and then click on the save. The email is uh, confirm, and confirm your email address before you send. So I have to confirm my email. Go back into my Gmail account and then open this, and then click OK. Maybe wait for a few seconds. Oh, we got our code. Just simply copy this code, and where we have put, okay, let's copy the code and confirm, and the sender added. Just simply click on this. Now for example, if you are launching a new collection, the subject could be check out what's new in this week, then type your message and personalize it with variables like customer's name and whatever. You can do that. Click on edit through, for example, you can click simply click over here, it will pop up something like this. Now if you want to give a variable, you can give that too, but right now I don't want to. But back to automation. uh, Now once your email looks good, then click on the apply. You can add a recipients as well. If you want to add type of your email, you can choose that too, and then just simply click on the business technical and business critical. I will choose promotional and hit the apply button. Now set email type. Okay, there is a problem. Okay, uh, announcement, it is announcement, and then choose a recipient, add a recipient. Now just I will choose random one, just a recipient. I will search for emails, or you can create one new one. And what I will do, I will just simply add other email address, for example. Now after the adding a condition, just hit apply button. So we have successfully sent an email. I think let's now we have to add conditions, as like just simply click on the add and click on the conditions. Now if you want to make your automation smart, you can add for conditions. For example, only send an email if the customer is subscribed, or only if they visited a specific page. You can do this by clicking add step and select condition. uh, what you can do is just simply select property. You can give conditions. now now you can do this by clicking on add step and select condition, then define the logic over here. You can just simply add or and add. If you want to give and or, you can select the properties from here. Now for this tutorial I will not using conditions. I will just simply delete it and click on the active. Now review and turn it on. Now that you're triggered an action set, just give a automation name. For example, I have this one, so it is activated. Let's see if there is an email or not. As you can see here, our created automation has been activated. Right now, every Friday at 1 p.m. right now, the time has passed away, so the email is not arrived at my mail. So whenever the the 1 p.m. Hit the Friday, the email will arrive. Right now the total triggered is 0 times, last triggered never, next run will be 2 May 1 p.m. so it will automatically run. So I don't need to come back over here and set up all of those things. Once I created this, uh, so once I have created, it creates. Now if I go into again in edit, just choose a different time. For example, if I choose this, so the next thing will the next time will be uh, triggered this event and it will send me an email. So yeah, it is right now 1:14 1:17 p.m. but after, as you can see here, 1:07 p.m. Now whenever the 1:15 arrives, it will send me an email. So yeah, this is how you can build your first automation inside Wix Studio. This can seriously save your hours of manual work and improve how you engage with your site visitor. So they have lots of pre-built automation. You can just explore that too. So that's it. And if you found this video informative or helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.